friend of me is REALME C25s, and today I would like to show you how you can operate voice recorder on this smartphone. First of all, you need to locate Tools folder, tap on it and find Recorder app. Then click on it and select Allow in the pop-ups. I already did that, so I can click on this red button right away to start my recording. You can pause it and unpause it using the same button. You can also add a bookmark by clicking on this left one. And save your recording by tapping on the right one. Now name it however you wish to, and from here you can delete it right away by tapping on this bin icon, or save it by tapping on the check mark. As you can see, my recording was successfully created. If you wish to delete it, you can always do that by holding it, choosing this bin icon at the bottom right corner and confirming your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!